Curious about what your friends, favorite creators, or influencers are sharing on TikTok? Reposts are a great way for users to share content they love with their followers, but finding someone's reposts isn't always straightforward. So, how can you see someone's reposts on TikTok? Let's break it down and uncover some tips to help you stay in the loop on the latest shared content. First, let's understand what reposts are. Reposting on TikTok allows users to share a video from another creator to their own followers, amplifying its reach beyond the original audience. Unlike platforms like Twitter or Instagram, where reposted content appears directly on a user's profile grid or feed, TikTok handles reposts a little differently. When someone reposts a video, it doesn't show up in an easily accessible tab on their profile. Instead, it's shared with their followers through the For You page and sometimes appears in their activity feed. This makes tracking down reposts a bit of a challenge, but there are still ways to get a glimpse into what someone is sharing. If you're eager to see what kinds of videos someone is reposting, the most direct approach is to follow them and pay close attention to your own For You page. When someone you follow reposts a video, you might see a notification or a small banner at the top of the video that says, "Reposted by username." This highlights content that your friends or favorite creators found interesting enough to share, and it's one of the quickest ways to discover their reposted videos as you scroll through your feed. Another way to catch someone's reposts is by checking the activity feed. Tap the inbox icon at the bottom of your TikTok home screen, and you'll see a list of notifications, including when someone you follow reposts a video. This feature is especially handy if you want to stay up to date with the latest trends and content circulating among your network, making sure you never miss out on shared gems. But what if you want to see a comprehensive list of all the videos someone has ever reposted? Unfortunately, as of now, TikTok doesn't offer a dedicated section on user profiles for reposted content. The platform keeps repost activity relatively private, focusing more on organic discovery through the For You page and shared notifications. While this might seem limiting, it actually encourages users to interact more with the content and each other, sparking conversations and engagement as people discover reposted videos together. For creators and brands, this means your reposted content can reach new audiences organically, thanks to the power of sharing and the TikTok algorithm. If you're hoping to track reposts for your own account, you can keep an eye on your video analytics to see spikes in views and engagement, which often signal that your content has been reposted by others. This is a great way to measure the viral potential of your videos and identify which content resonates the most with the TikTok community. At Famety, we understand how important it is to stay ahead of social media trends and maximize your visibility. That's why we offer services tailored to boost your TikTok presence, from likes and followers to shares and comments. If you're looking to grow your account and get your videos seen by more people, our team is here to support you every step of the way. Whether you want to increase engagement or keep tabs on what's trending, Famety has the tools and expertise you need to thrive on TikTok and beyond. So, while TikTok doesn't make it super easy to browse someone's full repost history, there are still plenty of ways to see what content they're sharing. Stay connected, keep exploring your For You page, and never miss out on the latest buzz. And remember, ayomni. If you want help taking your social media game to the next level, Famety is always here to back you up with the best services and live support, so you can shine on every platform.